Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to shop at TJ Maxx. I found a lot of great finds today at TJ Maxx, a lot of great high-end makeup, some perfume, and some skincare. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I found, just keep watching. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload, and let's go shopping at TJ Maxx. So I am going to be starting with perfume today, and the first thing I seen was this Gucci set right here. It is $59.99, and I did find it on Amazon for $79. So this is an extremely good deal, and it does come with like a body wash and the perfume. Next is this Guess perfume. I couldn't find this current set, but I did find one very similar for $59, and this one at TJ Maxx was $21.99. It does come with a body wash and a perfume as well. And then next was this Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. I've actually never seen this before, so I thought that was really cool. It was $19.99 at TJ Maxx, and that was really all the perfume I seen that really stuck out to me. So now I'm going to be moving on to skincare, and there was a lot of great skincare finds. I found a lot of great high-end and some more drugstore brands. So the first thing is this brand right here. This is, I don't want to say it wrong, but you can buy this brand at Ulta. I did see this. It is an $89 value, and it is a 3-piece set, and it was $29.99. So that's an extremely good deal. Next, we have the same brand, and this is just a cleanser in that same brand. Like I said, you can buy this whole brand at Ulta. It was $14.99 at TJ Maxx. And then next is this cooling gel mask. It was $48 on their website, but it is $16.99 at TJ Maxx. So that's a really good deal as well. And then next, this is something I have never seen before, a Lancome self-tanning tanner. So this is actually a product that is no longer made. So the only place I could find it still for sale is on eBay. And it was like anywhere from $70 to $100 on eBay. So that was an extremely good find for TJ Maxx. And then now I have this Neutrogena Hydro Boost cream. Well, it is actually a gel, my bad, and it was $4.99, and it usually is around $11. This is like, I don't really recognize this brand at all, but it is a hemp day moisturizer, and I did find this on Amazon for $14, but TJ Maxx actually had it for $5.99. Now, I know this is a very high-end skincare brand, but I do not know how to pronounce the name, and I don't want to mess it up. So there is tons of different things. The first thing I seen was this night cream. It is actually $94 on their website, and it was around $30, I believe, here at TJ Maxx. So that is a really good deal. No, it was actually $59, my bad. So it's still a good deal for regular being $97. And now we have, in that same brand, this is like a sunscreen kind of thing, and it was only $34.99 at TJ Maxx. Now we have Olay, and this, I found this at Ulta. It was $24.99, and TJ Maxx had it for $3.99. So that's an extremely good deal. So next we have this Elizabeth Arden eye cream, and this product is actually no longer made. The only place I could find it was on eBay, and it was $38 on eBay, and TJ Maxx had it for $12.99. And now this is I'm not really sure of this brand, but it is a daytime and a nighttime. It's a vitamin C and retinol. It was $10.99, and I was actually able to find it on Amazon for just a little bit more. So TJ Maxx still was a good deal. This is an Olay serum, and it was $14.99, and it is on Olay's website for $25. So another good deal. And then now we have this Milk and Honey. I have actually never really heard of this brand, but it actually is a pretty expensive brand. This particular serum I found is no longer on their website, but all of the serums were around $70 to $80, and this one was $14.99 at TJ Maxx. Now we have this simple day cream. It does have SPF in it, and it was $8.99, and I did find it for $33 retail price, so that was another really good deal. Next, we have this Origins gel eye cream, and I know this was a good deal. It's $29.99, and I did find it on their website for $48, so it was around half off at TJ Maxx. Now we have this Aveeno. This is like a yogurt, like a body lotion. There is a new one I found on Amazon. This is more of the older like style and design. It was $3.99, and it was on Amazon for around $20, I believe. Now we have this Mario set. This is actually a hand cream set. I have seen this a couple times at TJ Maxx and Marshall's, but it is $14.99, and it was at Nordstrom Rack for $19.99, I believe. Now I did run into like a whole bunch of First Aid Beauty. This is a bunch of like skincare. I do believe this is like a higher end skincare brand that you can get at Sephora and stuff. So the first thing I found was actually this oat and hemp multi-fix slave. It was $27 on the First Aid Beauty's website, and it is $9.99 here at TJ Maxx. The next thing is this First Aid Beauty Ulta Repair Cream. This was at Ulta for $36, and it is $19.99 at TJ Maxx, so that is still a really good deal. And this looks like a lot of cream that is in this container. It is a pretty big container. Next is another First Aid Beauty. This is a liquid recovery, and I did find that on Amazon for $24.99, but here at TJ Maxx it was $14.99. Now there is a blemish control pads. This is $9.99 here at TJ Maxx, and it was on Amazon for $23. So it is like half the price basically here at TJ Maxx. Next we have this Lancome. This is like a water cleanser. This is like the mini version, but a little bit bigger version is $40 normally. Now I'm going on to makeup. This is Perfume MD. I don't know if I said that right, but this is a foundation that is normally $60. Here at TJ Maxx, it is only $10.99. So that is an extremely good deal. Now we have Marc Jacob. This is a foundation, and actually this foundation was canceled, so they will no longer be making this foundation. It is at Sephora for $28, but I think that's on sale because it is no longer being made, but it was here at TJ Maxx for $16.99. Next we have this Laura Mercier. This is a primer for $9.99, and it is normally $39 at Sephora, so that's a pretty good deal. Now the next thing is another foundation. This is Pacifica. This foundation is normally $16, and it was here at TJ Maxx for $6.99. And actually this is the closest foundation that looks like it would be in my shade. Most of the other foundations were a little bit too dark for me. Now we have this I can't even talk right now. This No Problem primer. I did actually get this primer in a BOXYCHARM, and I really love it. It is around $20, and I found it at TJ Maxx for $9. Now we have another Laura Mercier. This is a mineral powder, and I don't think they no longer make this specific primer. I could only find it on eBay. It was $12.99 here at TJ Maxx. Now we have this Clay London palette. They no longer make this palette also either, and the only place I could find it for sale was Poshmark for $25. So it is actually a really pretty palette, so $6.99 is a really good deal. Now we have this MAC palette. This palette was so pretty, I thought, and the only place I could find it was on Mercari for $32, and it is only $19.99 here. the Cream Shop. This is a blush, and I found it at Target for around $5, and it was only $3.99 here at TJ Maxx. Now we have another blush by Bare Minerals. This blush is normally $25, and it was only $8.99 here at TJ Maxx. And then the next thing is another blush. It's just like the other Cream Shop blush. This is actually the same blush exactly. It's just a little bit different packaging. Like I said, it's around $5 at Target, and it was only $3.99 here. Now we have some NARS. This is a NARS brush, and I thought this was really cool because they actually had several different of these brushes. They are normally $40, and it was only $16.99 here at TJ Maxx. Now we have this Bobbi Brown. This is basically a bronzer. It was $44 on Bobbi Brown's website, and it is only $16.99 here at TJ Maxx. So that is a really good deal. Again, like half the price. And here is another Laura Mercier powder. This is a matte baked powder. This was $45 on Sephora, and it's at TJ Maxx for $12.99. Now we have another Bobbi Brown product. This is a foundation stick. This foundation stick is around $49, I think, on Bobbi Brown's website, and it was $16.99 here at TJ Maxx. So that is a really, really good deal. Now we have this ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter. It is around $25 on Sephora's website, and it was only $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Oh my gosh, I could not believe this. That is such a good deal. MAC Fix Plus, this is the mini version. This is the tropical scented version. It was $32 on the internet, and I don't think they make these anymore, so I'm really kicking myself in the butt for not getting these for $16.99 at TJ Maxx. I really wish I would have got them. Now we have this Kevyn Aucoin eyeshadow palette. It is $46 on Nordstrom, and it was only $16.99 here at TJ Maxx. Now we have this BH Cosmetics setting spray. This is a mattifying setting spray. I have very rarely seen BH Cosmetics products at TJ Maxx, but this setting spray was $5.99, and on BH Cosmetics website is on sale right now for around $8. MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation with SPF. This was around $36 on MAC's website, but TJ Maxx had it for $14.99. Now we have a little set from Stila Cosmetics. This has a liquid eyeshadow, a lip gloss, and a little highlighter. The set is $32 on StilaCosmetics.com, and it was at TJ Maxx for $12. And now we have a lash duo. This is two different mascaras from Stila Cosmetics. This was $30 on their website, and it was only $14.99 at TJ Maxx. And then the last thing I found was this Becca palette. This palette is discontinued. They no longer make it. So I could not find it really anywhere. It was on Mercari anywhere from $16 all the way to a ridiculous amount of money. So I found it at TJ Maxx for only $19.99. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.